Alright, welcome everyone. There's where we're at so far. Got our, I think that's the frame underneath assembled. This is, got our spring in there. Alright, so move on to step 6 today. Need C1 times 2. And C2 times 8. And, yeah, so just the 4, 6, 8. Let you let go, guys. Everybody. Okay. C3 times 2. And C4 times 2. And C4. 14. Okay, I'm about to have to peek at the instructions, see what the shape is of C4. C4. 2, C4. Okay, little gears. Oh, these say they're labeled W1 C4. Okay, that's what threw me off. I was looking at that. All right. And get our sort of alluded yesterday, or actually might have been this morning. I don't know which order these videos are going to be going. I know the order they're going up, but I can't remember midnight or noon. But basically, I'm somewhat of a pack rat, and I come from a long line of pack rats. So my folks called me up a while back, a couple of years ago, and said, "Hey, you need to come get your childhood toys out of the house." I said, okay. And so I went and got them, and they've been sitting in my garage, in my basement garage, for a couple of years now, at least. I'm pretty sure it was pre-pandemic. And I decided what I need to do is get them out and organized and everything, so I might as well do that on camera. So my plan is to randomly pull out a toy, do a video of me cleaning it and trying to remember what it is, because I had an immense collection, I admit. I was spoiled as a child as far as small toys went. I would not for the big stuff, but and so I'm just trying to make 2 to 3 minute videos of each toy as I get up and sort of wipe it down and remember what I can about it. And hopefully that'll be something that resonates with folks. Okay, now we're seeing here. Got these are directional here because one side is longer than the other on the pegs. Take C1. No real decoration on it, so it shouldn't matter. There we go. Oh. Here. You're not. Okay, there it goes. Okay. You can say it's not fitting. Okay, just turn them the other way. Turn them 90 degrees if they don't fit. Okay. Then C3 goes on the front. Ooh. In theory. Okay, go the other way, maybe. See, and there's more of that blowout on that veneer. This set has got a real issue with that. Okay, I'll mush it back in place. And this one on the back side. Okay, there it went. Sort of. Okay. And it says to wax here. So I'm going to set that aside to do with that other piece that I didn't do yesterday or this morning. Depending, I'll get the timing down on this eventually. Let's see. That's in the middle, so it doesn't matter which. And actually, I think, I wonder, I don't think it'll matter. It felt like this one was more sturdy. Okay, that may have been why they did. Okay, get those to line up. That is, yeah, that's the right side. Okay, there it went. Those lined up. Maybe that holds these more steady. I'm not sure it really makes a difference. That seemed like it went on a little better, and I don't know if it had anything to do with not having a blowout. But we've got a couple of wheels now. And the gears on there, so these are obviously going to be the drive wheels, I'd say. It's going to somehow hook into the engine through a differential, I'm sure. But that does conclude step 6. So, do one on each side. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy. And I'll see you next time. Bye.